Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study some basic construction. See the construction number 6. To construct an angle congruent to the given angle without using protractor. Now in this construction, the one angle is given. We want to construct the same angle without using the protractor. We use the compass and scale only. Now firstly draw the ray QR, which is same as the ray BC, by using the scale. In this way we draw the ray QR, and now take a compass. Take some distance between two terminals of the compass in this way and put the one terminal on the vertex of the B of the given angle and draw the arc which is intersect two two sides of the angle. Similarly, draw the same arc taking a same distance without changing the distance. Draw the same arc in this way. This arc intersect one side of the angle PQR. Now we don't know the side PQ. Now this intersect at the point R. Then take the distance between two terminal of the compass in this way. See, this first arc and this second arc intersect at the point. Now this ray passing through the started from vertex B and passing through the intersecting point, that is the ray BA. Now put the same distance as it is. Put one terminal at point R and draw the same arc, second arc, which is intersect the first arc in this point at point P. Now then draw the ray which is started from the point Q, passes through the intersecting point P. In this way we draw the same angle as a given angle without using protractor. Now seventh construction is divide the given line segment into given number of equal parts. The segment length PQ is 5 cm. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Firstly, draw the given segment using the scale, which is 5 cm. In this way, draw the segment PQ, then draw the angle at the point P and at the point Q. The measure of that angle is, you can take a 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree. In this way you can take any measure of the angle. We take here 40 degree angle. Same angle draw at the point Q, which is 40 degree. Then draw the ray Q, which is started from the point Q. Similarly started from the P. Now these are the two same angles and these two rays are the parallel to each other. Now take some distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the arc on this ray. Now we want to draw the 4 equal parts. So draw the 4 arc on this ray. 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we can draw from the point Q, and distance are same. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now write down the name of this point P1, P2, P3, P4. Then Q, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and join the P4 and Q in this way. Then P3 and Q1. Then P2 and Q2. Then P1, Q3, and lastly P and Q4. In this way we draw the segments which join the points. Now this PQ is divided into 4 equal parts. In this way we can divide any segment at any equal parts 4, 5, 6. If we want to 4 parts, then draw the 4 arc on this ray. If we want to 5 equal parts, then draw the 5 arc on this ray. In this way we can divide the given segment in equal parts. Then we see the again eighth construction, to construct a line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point outside the line. In this construction, the line is given and we take one of the point outside the line. Firstly, draw the line L. In this way, draw the line L. Take a point P outside the given line L. Now we draw the perpendicular from this point P to the line L. For that we take some distance from this point P to the line L. In this way we take a distance. If we draw the arc from this point P, this arc divide the line L into, it intersect line L into 2 points, here 1 point and here second point. Now take a distance more than half of this distance between 2 intersecting point. Then draw the arc lower side of the line L. In this way we take a distance more than half of these 2 points. Then draw the one of the arc from this point. Then put this distance as it is and put it on this intersecting point and draw the second arc. These 2 arcs are intersect in this point. Then draw the line which is passing through the point P. In this way we draw the line. This line is perpendicular to the line L. Then again draw the line perpendicular to this line which is at point P. For that take some distance and draw the 2 arc opposite side of the point P. In this way here we draw one of the arc, then this is the second arc. Then take a more than half of this distance between 2 arc. See, this is the half of these 2 arc and this is the more than half of. Now we take more than half of the distance. In this way see, more than half of. Then draw the one of the arc, keep this distance as it is. Then draw the again second arc. Now this arc are intersect at this point. Then draw the line which is started from the point P or passing through the point P and also passing through the point of this intersection of the 2 arc. In this way we draw the line M which is parallel to the line L. This line L and this line M are perpendicular to this line. Now in this way we draw the parallel line to the given line from the outside of the point. Then second method is like this. Draw the first line L, which is the given. Then take a point outside the line L. We take a point P outside the line L, and we take a point Q on this line L and join these 2 points in this way. Now we draw the angle. We get this angle after joining this PQ. We get one of the angle. We must draw the same angle as here. So we take some distance between these 2 terminals of the compass and draw the arc. This arc intersects this ray and also this PQ. Put this distance as it is. Put this one terminal of the compass on this point P and draw the arc which is started from this PQ and goes to the upward. Then take a distance between 2 terminals of the compass in this way. Then put this distance as it is. Put it at the point here which is intersect this arc at the PQ and draw the arc. Now this previous arc and this arc intersect here, so we can draw the line which is passing through P and passing through the intersecting of these 2 arcs. In this way we draw the line M parallel to the line L. In this way we can draw the parallel line to the given line at the outside of the point. Good day, goodbye, okay.